What's up? Welcome back. My name and my sign name. Today we're going to be learning about if deaf people can work or not and where they work or whatever. So first, yes, obviously deaf people can work. There has to be some accommodations if they prefer. If they don't want any accommodations, that is up to them. But they can hold any job. They're not limited to certain jobs or jobs that they don't communicate with people. Again, they can have accessibility options and accommodations that help people that they're working with communicate effectively with them if ASL is their first language. So yeah, they can work and they can do whatever. They can be doctors, lawyers, whatever you want, you can do just because